My trading strategy is boring, like really boring. There's no excitement. There's no taking 20 trades or 10 trades a day. There's no fancy stuff. It's just me taking the same setup, the same way, every single day. And most days I'm done in under an hour. And that's exactly why it works. The exciting strategies, the one that feels like you really trading, those are the strategies that quietly wrecked my trading account for years. So let me show you my boring strategy, the same strategy that is responsible for making 18K in payouts within a month and a half. And also I'm gonna show you some of the live trades that got me that 18K. So let's go. All right, so before I show you guys the live trading, let me just explain my strategy real quick and we're gonna go to the trades. So right here, I'm looking for basically the 5-minute trend, right? 5-minute trend, 5-minute direction, 5-minute entries, levels, everything 5-minute, right? And I'm trading the NASDAQ. So right here, let's say the market is going up, right? And the market looks bullish on the 5-minute chart. Well, I'm saying, all right, it's bullish on the 5-minute chart. Let me look for some type of level to get in the market so I can take a potential trade. So I'm looking for a swing high or low to get in. And if it reacts to one of these levels, I'm looking to get in for a quick either 1-to-1 or 1-to-2, right? So let me show you guys some live trades so everything can make sense. All right, guys, so this day right here, I was bullish on the market because the 5-minute was basically going up, right? So I really wanted a trade around this level, but we didn't really hold that level. It went straight down, right? So I was thinking, okay, maybe if we go to this level, we can get a reaction, but we never really quite got to that level. So the next thing was the market bounced from this level, right? So I'm like, all right, the market is still bullish. I still went along, okay? So we came back, all right, to here where we created some type of demand right here, guys, right? And then when we bounced from this demand level, that's when I actually got in the market for that quick pop. So let me show you guys that right now. All right, so you see that I'm in the market right here. Basically, I got in and I'm looking for that profit to the upside. So let me fast forward this. All right, so basically you see the market going up and it's going to my target profit, and basically I'm looking to get out. Now, here's the thing with this trade right here. You're gonna see me get out soon. I was trading my prop firm on this account. Boom, you see I got out right here, right? I traded my prop firm on this account and I was trading my live account. So let me basically show you that real quick. So I got out on 2 accounts, so let me show you that real quick. So here's a profit from one of my accounts. I'm up 1,800 times 5, so it's around like 9,000. And then let me show you my other prop firm account. My other prop firm account, I was up like 1,000, and on that times 5, so it's like 5,000. So overall that day was pretty good for my prop firm. But what happened was my live account, that trade was a break even, okay? Because I was looking for the high of the day. Let me show you guys the high. So I was looking for this high right here, right? But we never reached that high. So my live account was a break even, but those other accounts, my profit accounts, I was able to at least make some profits, right? So that was that trade for the day. Let me show you another trade so you can understand, my thought process. All right, so here's another day, guys, where the market was, in my opinion, I was looking for longs, right? But we had this support area right here. Let me show you guys this support area, right? We have this support area right here. I was looking for longs right here, right? Because the market overall was going up, right? But we broke this support. So we validate that support. It was just, in my opinion, bearish now since we broke that support. So I changed my bias into a basically bearish bias. So I'm looking for a pullback to this level right here, resistance now, and I'm looking for a quick 1-to-1, right? So I took this trade right here, short right here, and basically I'm looking for a quick pop to the downside, right? So let me show you that real quick. So right here you see that I'm in a trade, and this is me doing this live in front of my mentorship students. So basically I'm in this trade, and I'm just waiting for my profits to the downside. All right, so right here, guys, you see I'm about to get my profit. I'm just waiting, and it's definitely just going to my profits. No drawdown, no nothing, and basically it's just going to the TP. So should be able to get TP very soon. There we go. Come on, let's get it. Come on, let's go. All right, come on. There we go. Boom, TP on that one. And also I took this one on my live account too. I just got it right there. You get it? Can I get some dap, man? Come on, man.
Can I get some W's in the chat, bro? Stop playing, bro. Let's get it.
And I made, on that one, I made $917 on that one account, prop firm account. This is times 5, so that's around like 4,000-ish. And then on my next one, I made $522, and this is times 5, okay? So pretty much that was that day. Again, that was in front of my mentorship group. I actually started a new mentorship, so if you are definitely interested in that, I usually try to live stream at least maybe once or twice a week, or some days even more. Like this week, I live stream pretty much 4 days for that week. So if you're definitely interested in something like that, just check the link below. Basically, if I'm not live streaming, I'm also still going to give you guys my game plan for the day, my levels, the levels I'm looking at, levels I'm looking to take trades, my analysis. I'm always update you on analysis throughout the day. And yeah, so if you definitely want to level up your trading, check that out below. So let me go to the next trade to show you guys some more examples. All right, so here's a day where I'm bullish because we was going up right here, guys. So overall, you know, it was going up, and then we had some support right here, and basically the market opened around right here, around here. So the way I was looking at this is we was breaking out of this, we pulled back, okay, and we had that demand right here, and I'm looking for potential longs, okay, potential longs right here. So when I saw this rejection bar right here, that's when I got in. So I'm looking for any type of reaction at that level that I'm looking at, and I'm looking to take the trade as soon as the market goes above that candle, okay? And then I'm looking to get in, stop loss usually below the setup. And then this one I went for a quick 1-to-1 because we had resistance up top, so I went for that quick pop. And now let me show you guys the trade. So right here, guys, you see that I'm in a trade right here, and I'm just looking for the market to just give me my quick 1-to-1. And you see I'm in the same trade right here in my prop firm. So I usually manage multiple trades at the same time, trading my live account, trading my prop firms. So let me fast forward this. All right, so you see I'm about to get my TP on this one. It's coming there, but oh, there we go. So I got my TP on that one, and this one I'm about to get a TP on this one. Boom. So I got my TP on both, and my live account, you see I got my TP on this one too. So pretty much that was that day. It was a nice little scalp to the upside, pretty much no drawdown, and that was that process. So let me show you guys some more examples. Also, the P&L for that day, this day right here, we had 1,000 times 5, so that's around 5,000. And the next account, $453. Okay, so that's times 5. All right, so that day probably around I made what anywhere from like maybe 8,000 to 9,000, right? So let's go to the next trade. All right, so this trade, guys, this right here, I was bullish this day. You know, the market was going up, and basically it shot up, right? It did like a small pullback right here, and this was pretty much a breakout trade. I was trying to just go for that quick breakout, and hopefully I was looking for a quick 2-to-1, right? And we didn't get it. Okay, I got stopped out. My fault. I should have re-entered right here. We was bouncing at this swing low right here, and that was my next re-entry. But at that time, that day, I was so busy, I didn't really catch this trade. But this day was a losing day, so let me show you guys that live trading on this one. So right here, you see that I'm in a trade. I felt good about this trade. I'm not gonna lie, I felt good. I thought this trade was gonna work out. The market was really bullish, but you know, it didn't work out. It is what it is, right? So let me fast forward this. All right, so right here you see I got stopped out. You know, it is what it is. I got stopped out on all my accounts. So basically, so you saw that I lost on my live account right here, and then my other prop firms right here. I'm down $867 on this one, and then this times 5, and then my next one I'm down $588 times 5. Okay. So that was a losing day. You know, it is what it is. You can't win them all. If you don't know how to lose, you would never learn how to win. Let me repeat that again. If you don't know how to lose, you would never learn how to win. Losing is winning, because you have to lose, because when you do lose, you have to navigate and learn how to continue to keep trading the same way. When people lose, they want to switch strategies. They want to do this, do that. No, just keep trading the same way, right? Be okay with having losing days. Be okay with having losing weeks. Part of the game. It's not the losing that's going to mess you up. It's how you respond to the losing, right? Are you going to continue to trade the same way? Or are you going to switch up? Or are you going to switch strategies just because you have one losing week? Oh my gosh, one losing day. Oh my gosh, like, come on. That's part of trading. So you keep trading the same way and just live with the results. So let me go to another example. All right, guys. So here is a nice downtrend example. The market is what? Trending down, right? So to me, in my head, I only want shorts, right? Again, I'm not really looking at the daily chart. I'm not going to the daily chart right here and saying, all right, man, the daily chart is bullish. Let me just look for longs. No, you can do that. I'm not saying that you can't do that, but a lot of times you will see throughout the day, you can go for longs and shorts. And usually a lot of times, one bearish candle on a daily chart, even though the whole daily chart is bullish, one bearish candle can actually be bearish on a 5-minute chart. So that's why I look at the 5-minute levels. Okay, right here you can tell that, you know, the daily chart is bullish, right? But you know, that day was bearish. So I had, in my opinion, it's best for me to go with the intraday. Okay, so let's go back to the 5-minute chart. All right, so this is this day right here, guys. We're going down and we broke this key support right here. And basically, I'm just looking for a nice little continuation to the downside. So as soon as we hit that resistance right here and we sold off, this is when I went short for this quick 1 to 2. And I was done. So let me show you guys the quick recording. All right, guys. So right here, you see that I'm in the market. I'm not gonna lie, the market was just acting suspect. I thought I was gonna get stopped out, but it didn't stop me out. So let me fast forward this. All right, guys. So right here is market is going to my TP. This is actually my live account because I'm again trading both accounts at the same time, and everything looking good. The market is looking weak. It looked like it's gonna hit my TP. So I'm just waiting, you know, patiently waiting. So let's fast forward this. All right, guys. So right here is going to my TP. Boom. We got that TP. And I'm done for the day. I got close to 2,000 on that live account. And then my other accounts, let me show you that real quick. So here's another prop firm account, 1,800 times 5. So it's around like, what, 9,000 on that. And let me go to the next one. And the next one, $975. This is like a 50K account, so that's why the numbers is different. And that's times 5, so that's like around what, close to $5,000, like 4,800. All right, so those are my trades. That's how I'm looking at the market. Basically, everything is 5-minute, everything levels, entries, exits, direction. And it's boring because I'm doing the same thing every single day. Nothing exciting. You know, I'm not going down to the 2-second chart and I'm not looking at crazy candles going up and down. No, it's just straight boring. 5-minute chart, one trade, I'm done. Very boring, but it works because trading is not about excitement. It's literally about doing the same things over and over and over every single day, so you can get the same results that will turn you into a profitable trader, right? So that's all I have for you guys today. You know what to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you want to learn basically how I'm doing this. Also, link below, check out the new membership. Talk to you guys later and have a great day.